Ever wonder if your savings are truly working for you, or if they're just sitting there? In a world where every naira counts, making your money grow efficiently is more important than ever. We stash away our hard-earned cash, hoping for a brighter future, a down payment on a house, a comfortable retirement. But what if the account holding your precious savings isn't pulling its weight? What if there's a better way to maximize those dollars without taking on the risks of the stock market? That's the question we're diving deep into today. We're not just going to talk about savings accounts, we're going to dissect one of the most talked about names in the high-yield savings arena, Ally Bank. You've probably seen their ads, maybe heard friends mention them, but what's the real deal? Is an Ally high-yield savings account the magic bullet for your financial goals, or is it just another option in a sea of choices? We're going to cut through the marketing jargon and get down to brass tacks. We'll explore exactly what a high-yield savings account is and why it matters in today's economic climate. Then, we'll put Ally's offering under the microscope, examining its key features, the all-important interest rates, any fees you need to be aware of, and the overall user experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether an Ally high-yield savings account is the right fit for your financial journey. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started on unlocking the potential of your savings. First things first, let's level set. What exactly is a high-yield savings account, and why should you even consider one? In its simplest form, it's a savings account that pays you significantly more interest than a traditional savings account offered by most brick-and-mortar banks. Think of it as getting paid a little extra just for keeping your money safe. Traditional savings accounts often offer minuscule interest rates, we're talking fractions of a percentage point. In today's world, with even modest levels of inflation, your money in such an account is essentially losing purchasing power over time. High-yield savings accounts, on the other hand, offer interest rates that are typically many times higher, helping your savings grow at a much faster pace. Why does this matter? Well, consider your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, a down payment on a home, or simply building an emergency fund, the faster your money grows, the sooner you can reach those milestones. The power of compounding interest, earning interest not only on your initial deposit but also on the accumulated interest, truly shines in a high-yield environment. It's like your money making money for you, without you having to actively trade stocks or invest in complex financial instruments. Now, let's turn our attention specifically to Ally Bank and their high-yield savings account. Ally has carved out a significant niche as an online-only bank, and this lower overhead often translates to more competitive interest rates for their customers. One of the most attractive features of the Ally high-yield savings account is its consistently competitive annual percentage yield, or APY. This is the actual rate of return you can expect to earn over a year, taking into account the effect of compounding. It's crucial to compare APYs when considering different high-yield savings accounts, and Ally frequently ranks among the top contenders. Of course, interest rates can fluctuate based on market conditions, so it's always wise to check their current APY directly on their website. Beyond the attractive interest rate, Ally boasts several other compelling features. One key aspect is accessibility. As an online bank, Ally provides convenient 24/7 access to your funds through their website and mobile app. You can easily transfer money, check your balance, and manage your account from anywhere with an internet connection. This can be a significant advantage over traditional banks with limited branch hours and locations. Another significant benefit is the lack of monthly maintenance fees. Many traditional banks charge fees for simply having a savings account, which can eat into your earnings. Ally, on the other hand, typically doesn't charge these types of fees for their high-yield savings account, allowing you to keep more of the interest you earn. Furthermore, Ally offers features like the ability to set up multiple buckets within your savings account. This allows you to visually organize your savings for different goals, perhaps a down payment bucket, an emergency fund bucket, and a vacation bucket. This can be a powerful tool for staying organized and motivated towards achieving your financial objectives. Ally also provides a suite of digital tools and resources designed to help you manage your money effectively. Their website and app are generally considered user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate your account and track your progress. They also often provide calculators and other resources to help you estimate your potential savings growth. Now, no financial product is perfect, so let's consider some potential drawbacks or things to keep in mind with the Ally High Yield Savings Account. Being an online-only bank, Ally doesn't have physical branches. While this contributes to their lower overhead and potentially higher interest rates, it might be a drawback for individuals who prefer in-person banking services. If you frequently need to deposit cash or prefer face-to-face interactions with bank representatives, an online bank might not be the ideal fit. However, Ally does offer convenient ways to deposit checks through their mobile app and allows for electronic transfers from other bank accounts. Another point to consider is that while Ally's interest rates are typically very competitive, they are subject to change based on broader economic factors and the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. While they strive to maintain a high yield, there is no guarantee that their rate will always be the absolute highest available. It's always a good practice to periodically compare rates across different high-yield savings accounts to ensure you're getting the best possible return. Finally, while Ally offers excellent customer service through phone, email, and chat, some individuals may still prefer the immediate assistance of walking into a local branch. However, many users report positive experiences with Ally's customer support channels. So, who is the Ally High Yield Savings Account best suited for? It's generally an excellent option for individuals who are comfortable with online banking and prioritize earning a competitive interest rate on their savings. If you're looking for a safe and liquid place to park your emergency fund, save for a specific goal, or simply make your idle cash work harder, Ally's offering is definitely worth considering. It's particularly attractive for those who want to avoid monthly fees and appreciate the convenience of 24/7 online and mobile access to their funds. The buckets feature can also be a significant plus for individuals who like to organize their savings for different purposes. However, if you heavily rely on in-person banking services or need frequent cash deposits, you might want to consider a high-yield savings account offered by a bank with physical branches, although you might have to compromise slightly on the interest rate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.